cold-plunge thoughts. This is one thing that motivational speakers get wrong. They say that it's all on us. It's all on you. You got to do this. Nobody's coming to save you. And while there's some truth to that, the reality is you just can't do it alone. You have got to partner with God and pray like it's all on Him and work like it's all on you. But the thing is, when you attach deep spiritual meaning to the things that you're trying to accomplish, then you can actually get the results that you're looking for. But you can't do it all on your own. Because if you could do it all on your own, we would all achieve everything that we wanted whenever we wanted it. This is some wisdom that my wife gave me last night, reminding me when things are tough that it's not all on me. I have to partner with God or else it's just not going to happen. The other thing that helps with is that when I partner with God, then I know that He's looking out for me. And I know that even if things don't work out exactly how I want them to, I can believe in His plan and rely on Him to help me see how it was beneficial, even if it was tough.